Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how my friend made this thick and creamy peanut butter for her clients with no additives. Please watch to the end. Here we have our raw peanuts which has already been sorted out. So we've taken out all the bad ones from the peanuts. We'll go ahead and transfer this into a pan and we'll toast it until it is ready. I have a video on this channel where I made peanut butter at home using charcoal, but in this video we shall be making use of firewood.
I think this is okay.
So she realized that the peanut was too much in the pan, so she decided to reduce it. She's going to be roasting these peanuts in batches. This is how the peanuts look after 10 minutes. She'll keep stirring it in this manner until it turns golden brown.
It's done now. Please take it off from the fire.
The peanut is now ready, so she'll go ahead and take it out of the pan. She's now going to roast the second batch. This is the one that has already been taken off the fire, so we'll go ahead and use a sack to cover it so that the inside of the peanut can continue to cook very well. She'll continue to stir the next batch that we have already put in the pan until it is ready. This is the last batch of groundnuts and it's ready. She will take it off the fire and also take the pan off the fire. Then we'll set this aside in addition to the one we have already roasted. Then we'll allow the inside to cook for a while. If you have watched to this point and you haven't liked the video, kindly give the video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for doing that. Right now, she's going to transfer the peanuts into a bigger basin and continue to cover it with the sack for the inside of the peanut to continue cooking. It's now time for us to remove the skin of the peanuts. Some people prefer to leave the skin, but she has decided to remove the skin as much as she can. After removing the skin of the peanuts, she went ahead to separate the skin from the peanuts using this sieve. So the sieve has bigger holes in it, so when you put the peanuts there, the skin begins to drop, leaving the peanuts in the sieve. So that's the technique she used to separate the skin from the peanuts. Right now, she's selecting some of the few burnt peanuts to ensure that the peanut butter does not have a bitter taste. It's now time to send these peanuts to the grinding mill. And here we are at the grinding mill to transform these peanuts or groundnuts into peanut butter or groundnut paste.
What groundnut? I want to just do it.
Look at that creamy peanut butter, very original with no additives. We are back home and here is our groundnut paste. So she's going to fill up the ones that are not full for her client, and she's going to package it nicely for this to be transported to Accra for her clients. I'm sure her client will be very glad to have this peanut butter. So if you are in Ghana and you are willing to have this kind of peanut butter and you do not want to go through the stress of making it, kindly leave a comment in the comment section below so that I can give you her contact for her to make this creamy peanut butter for you. And trust me, you are not going to regret it. The container now looks clean, so she'll go ahead and cover this with a rubber and use the lid to cover it to make sure that this is well covered.
So after that, then we cover it.
The peanut butter has been nicely packaged and ready to be sent to the clients. Thanks so much for watching, and please do not forget to like the video and subscribe.